Once upon a time there were some poor people working in beautiful forest. They had a very hard and extracting work. They had to move big rocks with ropes, and this made them very tired. On one day, a group of rich people were walking into the forest. They were wearing fashion clothes, and one of them had an ox over his shoulder. They went to one of the nest trees and started to cut it down.
The poor people were very upset when they saw what was happening. And one of them asked, "What are you doing here?" The rich people answered, "We are cutting down the forest. If there are no trees, here we can use this space for building our houses. We can grow crops here and many delicious fruits. With the trees we cut down, we can make instruments, furniture, and pens. And we can use the big logs to build our houses."
It sounds very good, answered the poor. But the forest is very useful as it is. It is home to many animals and birds. In this beautiful nature, we can walk and sometimes we can find fruits. Because of the trees, we get a lot of oxygen, so the air will be much worse if we cut them down.
The people were discussing very intensely when all of a sudden one of the poor people saw something under the tree. He took it up and looked at it, but he had been working in the forest his whole life and he had never been to school, so he didn't understand what it was. He asked these rich people, "Do you know what this is?"
They looked at it and said, "Aha, it is a map. Let's see where it is takes us." They started to walk and they walked and they walked and walked. When they come to the end of the map, they were beside a small lake. All of them were looking around the lake and to see if they could find a treasure or something else there.
Suddenly, one of them found another map, so they decided to follow that one as well. Again, they walked and walked and walked, but this time it seemed to take them higher and higher as well. Finally, they found themselves outside a cave where two guards were standing. They looked really evil and said with a rude voice, "What do you want? You have no right to be here. Go back now or we will hurt you."
The people were very offended and angry, and a few of them decided to fight the guards. The fight was very dramatic, and the guards were almost about to win when one of the poor people took out a rope and together all the people helped to tie the guards with the rope. Now the group was super happy and all of them were screaming, "Hooray!"
But of course, they were also very curious to see what would be inside the cave. So they went inside and they found a chest. "Wow," they said, "a treasure." They opened the chest and inside it was full of fruits. "How wonderful," they said, and they brought it outside to eat in the sunlight.
When they had finished the fruits, they found a small note lying at the bottom of the chest. It said, "These are special fruits. Inside them you will find magic seeds. If the forest burns down, if the forest gets a sickness, if people are cutting down the trees, If people are polluting the forest, then you should plant these seeds in the light of the full moon at midnight under the smallest flower. The next day you will find your forest green and beautiful again.
Everybody was really happy, and the rich people could not understand how important the forest is. They all started to sing, dance, and play together as really good friends. The end.